Hello everyone, this is Shashi from Shashi Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss why do we need to convert an infix expression to prefix and the postfix expression. Let us consider a simple expression, that is x plus y. Here, x is an operand. In particularly, we can say x is an operand 1 and y is an operand 2 and plus is an operator. As you will know that the operator comes in between the two operand, this expression is called as an infix expression. If you give this equation to the human being, they will feel very much happy to solve this equation. Suppose if you give this equation to the computer, it feels very much sad to solve this equation. If you think, sir, we won't bother about the human being and we want to bother about only computers, because it performs the huge amount of operation when compared to the human beings, how can we make the computer happy? Sir, please provide me the equation for that. That is plus xy. Here x is an operand 1 and y is called as an operand 2 and plus is an operator. Here the plus came before the operand, means first or before. Pre-university, pre-nursery, for example pre-university and pre-nursery. If you give this equation to the human beings, they cannot understand easily and they feel very much sad. But after seeing this equation, computer becomes very much happy because it can easily solve this equation. This equation was invented in the year 1924 by the Poland people. They are called as a Polish. As we are in India, here from India, we are called as an Indians. From India, we are called as an Indians. From the Poland, they are called as a Polish. This equation was given by the Poland people. Hence, this equation is called as a Polish notation. This equation is called as a Polish notation. Sir, we made this computer very much happy. But is this the only way? Or is this the last step to make the computer happy? No. There is one more equation to make such that the computer becomes very much happy. That equation is called as xy plus. Here x is an operand and y is an operand 2. Plus is called as an operator. Here plus came after the two operand. In prefix expression, the plus came before the two operand. After means post. In English, after means postfix. For example, post-mortem. It is performed only after the death. Now, will somebody do post-mortem on a live person? Give this equation to the human beings, they feel very much sad because they even not understand what is going on here. But after seeing this equation, computer feels very much happy. After seeing this equation, computer feels very happy after seeing this. This equation was invented in the year 1954. This equation also given by the Poland people. But it is the reverse of the prefix expression, hence it is called as a reverse Polish notation. It is the reverse of the prefix expression, hence it is called as a reverse Polish notation. After seeing this, you can say, sir, we are happy with the infix expression. Why do we need to worry about the prefix and the postfix expression? I will say what is the advantages of infix expression as well as the disadvantages of the infix expression. Let us consider a second example, 5 plus 3 star 4. After seeing this, what is the result of this? As a human being, we can say the result is 17. But if we give this same equation to the computer, the computers will start reads from the left to right. From left to right. As we are a human being, we can see entire equation at a time. But as a computer, it can see symbol by symbol. Symbol by symbol. It can see 5. First time it can see 5. Then afterwards it can see 5 plus. Then afterwards it can see 5 plus 3. But it don't know remaining equation. It perform the operation and resulting the solution is 8. After getting an 8, then again it searches for the equation. Is there any equation remaining? That is star is remaining and 4 is remaining. After that it performs the operation resulting in the solution 32. But as you are a human being, think this is a correct answer? No, this is a wrong answer. In order to perform the correct operation, in order to make a computer to perform the correct calculation, there is a one more equation, that is a prefix expression. You may be thinking how this plus 5 star 3 4 came. In the another video, I am going to solve how to convert an infix expression to prefix expression as well as the postfix expression. For the time being, you consider this equation plus 5 star 3 4. In order to perform the operations on this expression, we need to follow some set of rules. That is, step 1, reverse a prefix expression. We need to reverse this expression, that is 4 3 star 5 plus. After reversing this, we need to go for second step, that is if an operand pushed on the stack. Then third step, if an operator, perform the following equation, that is pop the top of the stack and make it as operand 1. Then pop the next top of the stack and make it as operand 2. Perform the operation. Then push on the result. Push the result. You may be confused. What is these steps? Let us consider this example itself. Consider a current symbol and the stack. First, we need to perform from left to right. That is as in the infix expression, from left to right. First, at the beginning, the stack is empty. We have performed step 1. Then we need to go for step 2. If an operand push, here 4 is an operand, then push on the stack. Next, after 4, 3. After 4, move to the 3. After completion of the 4, move to the 3. Here 3 is an operand. Again push on the stack. Then move to star. Here star is an operator. Step 3. If an operator, pop the top of the stack. Here the top of the stack is 3. Then and make it as operand 1. We need to make this 3 as an operand 1. Then pop the next top of the stack and make it as operand 2. Then operand 2. The next top of the stack is 4. After popping up the 3, the remaining is 4. Pop the next top of the stack and make it as operand 2. We had made this 4 as an operand 2 and perform the operation. Here 3 is an operand 1 and 4 is an operand 2, and we are performing an operation. Resulting the solution is 12. Then perform the operation. After performing the operation, push on the result. Push the result onto the stack. We need to push onto the stack. The result is 12. Then after star, there is a 5. 5 is an operand. 5 is an operand. We can directly push onto the stack. Then after 5, plus is there. Plus is an operator. Step 3. Step 3 says that pop the top of the stack. Top of the stack is 5 and make it as operand 1. And pop the next top of the stack and make it as operand 2. Next top of the stack is 12. Make it as operand 2. Here 5 is an operand 1 and 12 is an operand 2. Perform the operation. We have performed the operation. The resulting solution is 17. Then push the result onto the stack. The result is 17. Then is there any symbol left here? No, there is no symbol left here. Then the final result is 17. In the similar way, need to consider the postfix expression. Here 5 3 4 star plus is a postfix expression. I will tell how to convert this infix to prefix and prefix to postfix. For the time being, you consider this postfix expression. Here also we need to follow some set of rules to perform the operation in order to get the correct solution. First step says that no reversal is required. We don't want to reverse this equation in the postfix expression as in the prefix expression. Second step, same, if the operand push. Then the third step, if an operator, same, that is pop the top of the stack and make it operand 2. Here in the prefix expression it is operand 1. In the postfix expression it is operand 2. That is a difference, that's all. Remaining all same. Next step says that pop the next top of the stack and make it operand 1. Make it operand 1. Here operand 2 in the prefix expression. In the postfix expression it is an operand 2. Operand 1, sorry. In the postfix expression it is an operand 1. Then perform the operation. Then push the result. For example, consider the same chart, that is current symbol versus current symbol and the stack. Same, we need to perform from left to right. We need to read the symbols from left to right. The computer scans the symbol from left to right. First, the stack is empty. Then, first symbol is 5. Here, 5 is an operand. If step 2 says that if an operand push, we need to push onto the stack. That's it. Then 3. Consider a 3. 3 also an operand. We need to follow step 2. Then push onto the stack. Here then 4, consider a 4. 4 is also an operand, directly push onto the stack. Then 4 is also an operand, directly push onto the stack. Then it comes an operator. Star is an operator. What it says means, if it is an operator, what we need to perform? We need to follow step 3. If an operator pop the top of the stack, here the top of the stack is 4, and make it as operand 2. We need to make this as an operand 2, and pop the next top of the stack and make it as operand 1. The next top of the stack is 3. After popping the 4, the remaining top is 3. We need to make it as operand 1. So the resulting equation is, then perform the operation. 3 is a operand 1 and 4 is an operand 2. We need to perform the operation. Resulting is 12. The resulting solution is 12. After performing an operation, push the result onto the stack. We need to push the result onto the stack. Then after star is completed, then we need to move to the plus. And then plus is also called as an operator. We need to perform again operation, that is pop the top of the stack. Top of the stack is 12. Here top of the stack is 12, and make it as operand 2. Make this as an operand 2. Then pop the next top of the stack. The next top of the stack is 5, and make it as operand 1. Next is the perform the operation. That's all. Is 12 is an operand 2 and 5 is an operand 1. We need to perform an operation. Then the resulting solution is 17. Then after that, push the result onto the stack. That's it. The resulting solution is 17. Then search for the next symbol. Is there any symbol left? No. Then no symbol to push onto the stack. No symbol. There is no symbol to push onto the stack. Then the result is the 17. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.